CS for Kids, the place where every lesson shapes a life. Now let's explore the CS for Kids website. Once you're on our CS for Kids website, you will see that we offer 3 different curriculums. The national curriculum covers all school years, from Junior 1 to Senior 3, and is divided into 2 terms. For example, if we look over at Junior 1, we can see that the content is divided into 2 parts, one for each term. The same applies to all years, up to and including Senior 3. The IGCSE curriculum covers all school years starting from Year 1 to Year 12, and is divided into 3 semesters. If we look over at Year 1, we can see that the content is divided into 3 parts, one for each semester. And the same applies to all years, up to and including Year 12. Finally, the American curriculum covers all school years, starting from Grade 1 to Grade 12, and is divided into 4 quarters. If we look over at Grade 1, we can see that the content is divided into 4 parts, one for each quarter. The same applies to all years, up to and including Grade 12. When you click on the Start Learning button, you will be greeted with a login screen. You will then be able to access and log onto the learning site using the username and password provided to you by your school's administration. Once you're logged on, you will find a menu with 4 options: Lessons, Homework, Messages, and on the far right, you will find a logout command. When you click on the Lessons button, a list of lessons for your grade will be displayed. The name of your class and grade will be displayed above the list of lessons. If you click on a lesson's title, you will be able to see the topics covered under each lesson. And if you click on any topic, you will be able to see its content. For lower grades, the content mostly consists of videos.
To solve this puzzle, we need to move east 2 steps. Then move south 2 steps. Then west 2 steps. And repeat those steps 3 times. Again, we put the repeat blocks inside each other and click run.
Now below the content, there will be navigation buttons, allowing for an easier switch back and forth between topics or back to the topic list. For lower grades, the lessons are presented by a cartoon character named CTR 120.
Hi, I am CTR 120. I will guide you through our computer science lessons.
It presents computer science topics in a funny and amusing way that attracts students through recorded videos.
Or too easy. Let's review some of them.
Some of these lessons are taught through puzzles. Now let's take a look at one of these puzzles and open up puzzle number 3. In this puzzle, kids are introduced to the repeat block with which they can repeat any number of instructions. In computer science, this is called looping. The concept of looping is introduced through a funny, simple game with some cartoon characters, allowing children to grasp the content without necessarily knowing it. The same goes for all the other topics in lower grade stages.
Finally, we hit the right button.
The same puzzle will be sent to students to do by themselves through homework. This can be accessed through the homework button in the menu. If we look back at the topic list, we can find a wrap-up topic at the end, where CTR 120 reviews all the topics taught in the lesson.
Today we learned how to arrange commands to solve problems using a computer in a correct order.
Some exercises are also done with the help of our character.
For solving the puzzles, let's do some sheets. Which way do you think should BB-8 move to get the scrap metal? Of course, it goes north.
Below that, a PDF version of these exercises is available for download, so that kids can download and print them for more practice or send it back to the teacher for review. With CS4Kids, students will not just learn computer science. They will also develop listening, reading, and speaking skills, as the lessons are taught in English. And because computer science originated as a branch of mathematics and was built on mathematical principles, it will also help kids develop their mathematical skills. Finally, we can relate the study of computer science to the study of other subjects. Take physics, for example. We use physics principles in robotics, which is taught at the more advanced stages of our curriculum. We prepare our students for the technological revolution in education, as we use professional standards for teaching while helping equip children with 21st century skills. We use the Common Core state standards and the next generation science standards in the United States in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and math.